You're in trouble.
What you eating there, Jax?
Oh.
Piece of crust? Is that French toast? What's it eating, Hell? French toast? No?
Yeah,
French toast?
Just toast.
Just toast. Jax likes toast. Is that good? Is that yummy? Treats?
He's filming.
Yeah, filming my birdie. Yummy? Probably like French toast. Good piece of toast. Close-up shot of the parrot. Manipulate things with their little fingers. Hey Jax, that good?
I checked the rain gauge. There's less in the boat already. It was just bucketed down.
It's going to happen. The dog's going to come and suck that up like a vacuum cleaner. Come here. Come on, Jax. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Likes his head scratched, don't you? Like your head scratched. She loves that. Hey.
Collecting feathers?
Yeah, there's some off the other parrot too from the macaw.
Yeah. Oh really?
Yeah, there's some big ferrets in there from our feathers from our blue and gold macaw. The big blue feathers.
You're gonna see it when you go to Vancouver.
Yeah, I'll see it. It's in the Bloedel Conservatory.
Sure, recognizes you.
It may. Haven't had it for 10 years.
See if it does.
It's been 10 years since we've had it. Hey Jax.
I think they got pretty good memories of it.